Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make flour from BFDI. Flour from BFDI. So, flour's icon is going to be like this. For the colors, make them petals. And then maybe we could download it. Next, for flour ship, I want you to choose this one. For the ball of flour, I want you to choose that. For the UFO of flour, choose this. For the wave of flour, choose that wave. For the robot of flour, choose the classic one. For the spider, I want you to choose this one. Hello. And for the balloon, choose the classic one. And that's how you make flour. The end. Thanks for watching.